Let's make some Scottish lentil soup, just like my granny used to make. This is all the ingredients you need here, but as usual the full recipe will be listed below on whisk. I start off by putting my ham hock in a pot and covering that with water and bringing it to the boil. And whilst that's simmering away for a couple hours, we're going to prep the veg. Peel and dice your carrots and your turnip. I find the easiest and quickest way to do this is using a vegetable chopper. I got mine from Aldi for like $4.99. I know you can buy them on here and Amazon and things, but this is the cheapest one I've ever found and it works a treat. I use it all the time. Once you've finished dicing the carrots and the turnip, you're going to dice your onion and slice your leek. If your leek isn't trimmed, then trim this and clean it and then slice it up nice and thinly. When your ham hock is finished cooking, remove that from the pot and skim off any of the foam. There's no need to soak your lentils, just give them a rinse and then add them into your ham stock. Once they've softened, add in the carrots and the turnip. Put your stock pots in and let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Next, add in your leek and your onion and let that soften for about 20 minutes. And whilst that's cooking, you can dice up your ham hock. You can completely blend your soup until it's totally smooth, but I like to leave mine a little bit chunky, so I only blend about half of this. And once you've done that, you can add your ham hock into the soup. Give it a little taste at this point and add in any salt and pepper if you need to. Can't forget my little freezer hack for storing your soup as well. This is an absolute game changer. And there we go, Scottish lentil soup. Let me know if you try it and follow me for more recipes. Bye!